This video was made to show how simple it is to compare original files with files already modified. In this case, we import the original file from Files Explorer. But you can also import directly from your project's database. Click OK to open project. Original file loaded successfully. Zooms are great to show all the data in 2D view. Now, let's import the modified file. Modified file was imported successfully. Now, using the difference search bar, you can navigate through all differences found in this project. As you can see, this function is very intuitive to use, making the life of our customers much more easier. Thanks for watching.